In the early morning of September 3rd,
at about 8:30 a.m.,
a fire broke out at Kilinto prison.
Social media flooded with images of overwhelming smoke and fire.
Family members and concerned citizens
kept from the scene by prison guards.
And gunfire from within the prison piercing the city soundscape.
Based in the outskirts of the capital, Addis Ababa,
Kilinto prison is known to be one of the most notorious torture chambers in Ethiopia.
here is where many prisoners of conscience are sent.
Activists, political leaders, and journalists.
among them Oromo Federalist Congress Deputy Leader Bakele Garba,
Senior opposition Blue Party member Yontan Tasfaye.
Journalist Getachew Shifarro
An eyewitness account that was on guard during the horror
says that armed prison guards were indiscriminately shooting at prisoners.
Prisoners were held at gunpoint to stop them from putting out the fire.
and it took 2 hours for a fire brigade to show up.
Over 30 prisoners were killed.
Most of them dying from gunshot wounds.
And if this isn't agonizing enough,
Over a week after the fire,
Loved ones found out who survived through a list.
Posted by prison official containing the name of survivors.
The Kilinto prison massacre.
teaches us one thing:
what does a government that cannot face its opposition do?
burn them.
Shoot them.
Silence them.
There is no humanity left in the Ethiopian government's leadership.
We echo the cry of the people of Ethiopia
And call on the Ethiopian government,
to step down. Step down.
step down.
Step down.
Step down.
Step down.